Hi, I'm Brittany and Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to achieve pink glitter makeup. First you will need to start off with a clean fresh face. Brush your brows into place and prep them for filling them in. I'm going to take my Anastasia in dark brown and outline the bottom of my brows, the top of my brows, and blend everything together and fill in where needed. I'm taking my concealer in the color NC50 by MAC to highlight the bottom of my brows. When doing my brows, I use two different color concealers because I don't like the over highlighted look. So I take the color NW45 by MAC for the top of my brows to make it look as natural as possible. Here, I'm just blending everything out, the bottom, the top, and the front of my brows. So now it's time for eyeshadow. I'm going to go back in my concealer in the color NC50 and use that as a primer and put that all over my lids. I'm going to take the color Saddle, I believe, by MAC and use that as my transition color and put it right under my concealer and blend that in. The next color I will be using, it came in a collection, is a pigment by MAC. I don't know the name of it, but I will list everything in the description box below. I'm going to take that color and put it all over my lid. Also, when using loose pigments, I suggest that you use a setting spray to spray your brush for best results. I'm using Studio Fix Plus by MAC. I'm going to take this dark pink from my BH Cosmetics palette and blend that into my crease. Next, I'm going to take my glitter glue and put it all over my lid on top of that pigment color. Here I'm applying the pink glitter and I'm using a tapping motion to apply it, and the glitter is from NYX. I did my wing liner and lashes off camera to get it perfect, but let's move into foundation. In my everyday makeup routine, I don't use foundation, but for the sake of the video, I did. And today I'm using Makeup Forever, and I'm going to apply it with my beauty blender and use tapping motions to blend it in all over my face. Here, I'm just taking a powder brush and blending in the foundation, and then I'm going back in with the beauty blender and blending some more. Now I'm going to take my concealer in NC50 to highlight my face. Highlighting under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the top of my forehead, and my chin. And I'm going to take my beauty blender, a clean beauty blender, and I'm going to blend it all out. So after blending everything out, I'm going to take my translucent powder and put it everywhere I put the concealer to set my face. Here, I'm taking a translucent powder to sharpen up my natural contour. I don't use darker foundations or darker concealers to achieve this look because I have naturally high cheekbones. So I'm just doing this for them to stand out more. And now I'm going to take my mineralizer by MAC in the color Deepest Darkest, I believe. And I'm going to put that all over my face to bring it back to one color and to give it warmth. Now it's time for blush. The blush that I'm using today is from MAC. I'm not sure of the color, but I will list it in the description box. I'm going to apply this as if I was applying contour. I like to apply my highlighter with a damp brush because I feel like it picks up more pigment and it just makes it look so pretty. Look at that. I just love this highlighter. I just love it. Just to be a little extra, I added highlight to my eyebrow also. I'm going to take my favorite black eyeliner by Maybelline and line my eyes, and also the Spider Mascara by Maybelline for my bottom lashes. I'm going to outline my lips with this plum color by NYX, and the lip gloss I'm using is by Victoria's Secret. My baby wanted to be in the video so bad. Say hi to my baby Bella. This is my beautiful dog. I love her so much. This is the finished look. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.